So what is the difference between a structured based is also called as white box and specification based is also called as black box? What is the difference? Okay, so let me tell about that. In the black box testing, in the black box testing or testing technique, the tester doesn't require to know about the internal implementation of the system. It doesn't require to know about how the system works internally. Okay, how the code is written. It doesn't require to bother about all those things. Okay, just based on the behavior, just based on the behavior of the system, he will be writing the test cases. That's one thing. Whereas in the structured base, the tester requires to know about how the system works internally, and by going through the code, by understanding the code, he will be deriving the test cases. Once he executes those test cases, he ensures that whether these test cases are sufficient or not. Okay, so to know that he has to look into the coverage. Okay, so coverage talks about how much code is covered and how much code is not covered. Okay, and there are certain different coverage criteria are there. One is statement, decision, and condition, and multiple condition. So that's about the difference between structured based and specification based. Is also nothing but white box and black box.
So